Hi, this is Miss McPhee, and this is our pre-algebra homework video that's due tomorrow, Wednesday, November 20th. This is the end of 6th period, so I apologize ahead of time if you hear our bell for change of class. This is our homework for the week. Thank you for being flexible with turning it in a few days early. It is also your last homework until December, so that's not so bad. I went to our suggestion box, and someone did ask for Unit 4, Lesson 8, which is this percent of increase and decrease with equations. Tyler's mom purchased a savings bond for Tyler. The value of the savings bond increases by 4% each year. 1 year after it was purchased, the value of the savings bond was $156. So what's the value of that savings bond when Tyler's mom purchased it? So when she purchased it, it was obviously at 100% of its value, and that's increasing by 4%. So that's 104% of its value. As a decimal, that's 1 400ths. So 1 400ths the price of the savings bond is now $156. And then I can divide both sides by 1 400ths to get my savings bond by itself. So I kind of thought this was a fun way to show you how we can multiply both values by 100 to get rid of that decimal. So I'll have 15,600 over 104. And then I'm just going to start slowly simplifying. They're both even, so I'll divide them both by 2 and get 7,800 over 52. Still even, so I can divide by 2. And I'm going to get my denominator is 26 and my numerator is 3,900. And then I'm like, ooh, wait a minute. Now, for me, this comes into my head quickly because 26 miles is a marathon and 13 miles is a half marathon. So I'm like, hey, if I divide both of these by 13, 26 divided by 13 is 2. 39 divided by 13 is 3. So I get 300 divided by 2, which means the initial value of the savings bond was $150. If you get here and use a calculator, that's fine too. But I always like to show some fun, creative ways we can get our answer. Hope that helps. You now are down to 2 homework problems, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.